Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today is another great news for all the OnePlus Nord users. As I told in my previous video, the OnePlus Nord update has come out, the open beta. That's the Android 11 open beta for OnePlus Nord has come today. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install that in a simple way. But I do give a disclaimer, if you do not know about technical stuff, please do not install this. But if you want to try out Android 11, go ahead and do this. And do take a backup of all your data before you go ahead and do this. And download the rollback software also from the same Oxygen updater before you download the new update. So let's start. So as I told you previously, OnePlus Nord has launched the update. That's the Android 11 update. And the open beta has also been launched today. So let's go ahead and check how we can install it in our phone. This is a OnePlus Nord phone. So for you to go ahead and install it easily, just go to your Play Store. Search over here. Oxygen updater. So you can see Oxygen update is there. I've already installed it, so I have it over here. So I'll just open that. And before doing any of this, in case you want to wait for the stable update, please go ahead and wait for the stable update. Do not go ahead and install the open beta, as there might be some bugs. So, but if you want to try out the open beta, you can, but go ahead and back up all your data before you do that. And now, if you see like in the settings of Oxygen updater, there's something called as advanced mode. Go ahead and click advanced mode, and over here, I've already checked it okay. And there's one more setting over here called as, just give me update method. Like here, if you go and check, it will be like full update, incremental update, open beta full update. So I have selected that. And only when you go ahead and do this advanced thing, you'll be able to update this. And now I got the system update also of the Oxygen OS open beta for 11. So now I'll quickly go ahead and install this. Just give me a minute. Let me just turn on the Wi-Fi. So it will take some time. Let's quickly do that. As you see over here, the update size is 3.12 GB, in which 1.16 GB has been downloaded. So once I finish the update, I'll go ahead and get back to you. As you can see, the update has been downloaded. So what all we get in this new update is, we get update for Android 11 version. Okay, it has come to the screen now. Okay, so we get the update for Android 11 version. We get a fresh UI for Android 11. Optimized stability of some third-party applications. Ambient display has come in this, like always on display. And there are many other features which are coming to this, like customization of wallpapers, canvas mode, that is you can take your photo and put it in the canvas mode as your screensaver in this. You have 10 new clock styles which have come to this. And in dark mode also, you can toggle between dark and light mode in your notifications panel itself. That's easier now. And you also get a light in the side which mentions about the notifications in your Android, in your Nord. And you also have the shelf which has been included, which has been redesigned. And you have a different gallery support function also in this. So let's go ahead and install this. So, but do remember, do go ahead and back up everything, and do download the rollover package to Android 10 back from oxygen updater itself, so you can go ahead and do that in case you are not comfortable with the Android 11 open beta for Node. So what we have to do now is go to settings, go down to system updates. As usual, it's not a stable update, so it won't come through that, but it's very easy. Just go to local upgrade, and if you see here 3.12 GB, the local update which we had installed, so just click on install. This will take some time, so I'll just get back to you with that. Okay guys, it's in about 99% and it's almost completed. So as soon as it hits 100%, it will give you a reboot option over here, and that's done over here. So just go ahead and reboot your mobile. So as I told you, this will take some time because it's a new update of Android 11. It's not a security patch. If you check, it is started now. And do back up all your details, all your data, like in your Gmail or in your Google Drive or whatever drive you use before going ahead and doing this. In case you want to revert back, do download the rollback package also. And the one advantage in this is, like, you can also install the Oneplus dialer, which you all were looking out for. And you can download the Oneplus messages, Oneplus contacts, and the whole Oneplus package, which comes with the 8T. You can just search online for the Oneplus dialer, so that people who do want to go ahead and record without getting the notification can go ahead and do that. And the interface of that also is good. So after this video, mostly I'll be going ahead and installing that, and I'll be reviewing this OnePlus, this new ROM for some more time, and I'll be telling you the details. Okay, I'll just get back to you once the device gets started up. Okay, the phone is being booted up, so let's go ahead and check the new version. Okay, this is the new menu. It looks kind of good with the fonts and everything. And if you see about Node, you can see clearly over here Android version is 11. So Android 11 version has come with the security update of 1st December 2020. And let's check others. So they have gone ahead and changed few details over here. And this looks kind of good. And now we can see in the customization, you have the canvas mode as I told you. You have normal wallpapers and you have clock and ambient display. If you see, there are many more styles of clock which have come under this. And you have the horizontal light also over here. Like when you get a notification, you can go ahead and turn it to red or whichever color. So that's a good thing which has come about. So apart from this, you do have the shelf mode active now. That is, if you go ahead and drag and drop, you'll get the shelf over here with all the details, easy access. And if you go to the toggle bar, You have airplane mode, NFC and all those modes. Bedtime mode also is there over here. And let me check what else they have introduced. Dark mode. This is the one I was talking about. So you can type on this. 1 second. So it's been edited. So dark mode is on. So you can turn it to normal mode. That is, if I go down the shelf now, it will be light mode. And if I come here and again click on this, it will go back to dark mode. Plus you have another feature over here called as data connection switch during calls, which is available. That is, during calls when there was a network issue, if you have two SIM cards like me, the data from the second SIM card will be used while you're making a call so that you have a clear signal. If you see over here, even the Google thing, which I told you in my last video, is working properly without any problem. So let me just go ahead and review this for some more time for a week or so, and I'll go ahead and make a video on that and how good this is and what are the future updates they're going to give for it, and I'll make another video for that. Hi guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video now, where I went ahead and showed you the installation process of Oneplus Nord's Android 11 Open Beta, which was launched today. I hope you got the easiest way from my end, because many people were asking me how to install it using Oxygen Updater. You can go ahead and install it, it's up to your wish, but in case you want to wait for the stable update, please do wait for that also, because I'm not going ahead and propagating anything over Oxygen Updater to use that. But in case you want to use that, you can use that and download the update and install it. And again, I'm saying this from beginning to start, have a backup, because in case you want to roll back to the Android 10, if you find any bugs or anything, you do need a backup, because when you go to the new version, nothing will be deleted, but when you go back to the previous version, like your data will be wiped out. So please have a backup in your Google Drive. In your backup, it's easily done in the OnePlus phone, and do go ahead and search online, because I just downloaded the OnePlus dialer also for this, which you can see in 80, and it's working perfectly. Calls are getting recorded, everything is happening perfectly in that. OnePlus messages also is working, and even OnePlus contacts also is working. So I just typed in Google and found the apps for that, and you can do the same by doing that. So best of luck in going ahead and trying to install this, and maybe many more new updates will be coming over here. I'll be giving a review after checking the phone for a week or something about everything, what has come along with the Android 11 Open Beta, and I'll be informing you. And if you do like this video and you learned something from this, please like and subscribe so that I can continue making videos like this for you. And for all of them, do have a wonderful day.